What if mapping drains could do more than just show lines on a map? What if it could actually prevent flooding before it happens? In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to use MAPOG to map drainage points, inspect pipelines, and keep your city flood ready. Head to story.mapog.com and create a new map. Name it something like Drainage and Pipeline Maintenance Map and add a short description so your team knows its purpose. Next, add your essential base layers through GIS data from process data. Pull in the country boundary and overlay the drainage network. Now, style the layers for better understanding. Go to Add Story, then add by uploading CSV/Excel and upload your CSV with details like drain name, location, condition, and last inspection date. When uploading, go to Select Point Type, Location Type Management. Here, create custom fields, condition, last cleaned date, inspection notes, urgency level, and more. Next, use Match Excel to link your CSV columns with these fields and coordinates. MAPOG will autofill all points, saving you from entering data one by one. You can even add reference photos of clogged drains or cracked pipelines using edit point details. Style your points using style customization so issues stand out at a glance. For example, green for good, yellow for damaged, red for broken or clogged. With this, one look at the map tells your team where to send cleaning crews first. When your map is ready, click the Preview and Share option. You can keep it private for internal use, or share a public link with residents, or even embed it on your city's website. Drainage maps built with MAPOG have wide uses. Urban planners can spot flood-prone zones, and governments can direct repair budgets more efficiently. So the next time heavy rains hit, don't wait for the water to rise. With MAPOG, you can keep your drainage network mapped, monitored, and maintained before the floods arrive. Need help? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com.